The StudSensor Pro45 stud finder from Zircon features 2 scan modes to quickly find the edges of studs through interior sheetrock walls up to 1.5 inches deep. The tool also features wire warning detection, alerting you to the presence of live, unshielded AC electrical wiring while scanning. Use the StudSensor Pro45 to help you find studs for securely hanging cabinets, shelves, mirrors, and more. Before use, install a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery with an extended expiration date of at least 3 years beyond the current date. Select Stud Scan mode to scan through walls with 1 layer of sheetrock. For thicker surfaces only, perform the scan in Deep Scan mode. Place the tool on the surface to be scanned. Press and hold the power button and wait for the beep to confirm calibration. As the tool approaches a stud edge, the arrow display segments will sequentially illuminate. When the top red edge display brightens, the spotlight pointer will appear on the scanned surface and a steady tone will emit. The StudSensor Pro45 has located the edge of the stud. Mark this edge. Without releasing the power button, continue sliding tool across until the red edge light turns off. Without releasing the power button, reverse direction to find the other stud edge. Mark this edge. The center of the stud, where you'll want to hang your object, is between the 2 marks. When live unshielded AC electrical wiring is detected, the wire warning detection indicator will illuminate. If scanning begins over a live AC wire, the wire warning detection indicator will flash continuously. If scanning begins directly over a stud, the tool will continuously beep and flash to indicate a calibration error. Simply move the tool a few inches to the left or right and begin your scan again. Buy your Zircon StudSensor Pro45 stud finder today.